Good evening, Maricel. Time to sleep. Good night, everyone.
Am I supposed to sleep? And I'm like this.
And Kuya is having trouble. Poor Kuya. Oh no, murag bagong tuli.
I totally got my hand stuck.
Good night. Tomorrow again. It's outside.
See you next year.
See you next year. The grandma. Oh, noon sa man ang buhok ni grandma. Naingon mo na sa kwan. Alright. Time to sleep. Ubo naman. Kuya. Holiday pass ba? You guys wanna stay here all day?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I love it here.
Well, love America. You guys not hungry for lunch?
No. No.
You don't wanna eat?
I want to go on that one up there first. I want to eat that one.
You guys not scared?
No, I'm not scared. Not even a little bit.
Not even a little bit?
Okay, do I go on the water ride first? Okay. Oh.
Scary.
So, nagpasakay natin sila dyan para umikot na tayo. Pero Samsung, ayan na sila! Buti naman at hindi sila. Oh, nasaan si... Hello mga anak! Ako naman si Kira na sarap. Patrick! Sam! We're here, Patrick! Hi!
Patrick, ganito ay tumak. Patrick! Kuya, go.
Safety bars are going down automatically.
Hold tight! Beat Bam shopping for Charlotte. That's her favorite thing to do. Her and Grace. Whenever Grace sleep over, you know. Come on. Wow, so beautiful here. Kuya, you want that? Come on, Charlotte, you pick how much? Kaganda, beautiful. Bath bomb. Okay, what else you need?
Charlotte,
picking up his daddy's present. What is this? Offline.
Mommy,
Huh? No.
can I go and get some
Asa naman sila? Lunchtime. Chicken bites and strawberry lemonade. Kuya got some burgers and grandma got burgers. Yes. Try it first before you say no. Try it first. Remember, you can say no unless you try it. Try it first. My burger.